Shalom everyone! Happy 20th anniversary to the International Youth Fellowship as you celebrate your festival for the youth and youth leaders around the world. I pray that the Lord will continue to guide all of you with His wisdom, knowledge, and understanding as you accomplish your God-given mission of cultivating the youth to become leaders with an international sense through youth education, social service, domestic and international exchanges, and cultural activities. Keep serving the Lord with gladness as you uphold your motto: challenge, change, and cohesion. Keep helping the young people achieve the dreams by pointing them to Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith. Always remember that He is in control and He will accomplish His purposes and plans through each one of us. Once more, congratulations and God bless International Youth Fellowship. Thank you.